So today we will be making caramel oat bars. First, you need to melt 3/4 cup butter, or you can also use shortening. Add this to a bowl together with 3/4 cup brown sugar and 1 tablespoon vanilla. Yan, mix nyo siya until well incorporated. Mix, 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 mix. After mixing, add 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1 cup rolled old-fashioned oats. And then add 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix nyo ulit. Add some salt, a pinch of salt if you want. We will be transferring half of the mixture into I think this is a 6x6 square pan. And then, medyo thick yung mixture, i-flatten nyo lang siya. And then, you will be baking this in a preheated oven for 10 minutes, so 350 Fahrenheit. After baking for 10 minutes, add 1 cup of chocolate chips, or you may also use chocolate chunks if you want, or a combination of both. After adding, caramel sauce naman. Hindi ko na, tinansya ko na lang yung paglagay ng caramel sauce. But, pwede nyong damihan or kontian, bahala na kayo. And then, lastly, add the remaining half of your mixture kanina, yung may oats. Bake again for another 15 to 16 minutes. Alisin nyo siya sa oven after 15 to 16 minutes and allow to completely cool before slicing and eating.